Hello coders. In this video, I am going to compare Python list with NumPy practically. As I showed you in the introduction to NumPy video, inside list we have elements of multiple data types, while in NumPy elements must be of same data type. Lists are slow compared to NumPy. NumPy arrays are faster than list. We can't do element-wise operation in Python list, while we can do element-wise operation in NumPy. Python list takes more size compared to NumPy, while NumPy takes less size as compared to list. To prove the first difference between Python list and NumPy, inside the list we have elements of multiple data types, while all the elements must be of same data type in NumPy. Here I have listed some examples. So in the first example, you can see I have created 1D array with np.array function with element 1, 3.5 and 10. So two elements of integer and one element of floating point number. So output will be 1.0, 3.5 and 10.0, means all the elements are now converted into floating point number. In the second example, you can see I have created 1D array with 1 string and integer. Now you can see all the elements are converted into string type. In the third example, you can see again I have used one integer, string and floating point number. Now you can see all the elements are converted into string. In the fourth example, I have used one integer and two boolean values. In the finally, all the elements are converted into integer. Now, to prove we can't do element-wise operation in Python list, but we can do element-wise operation in NumPy, here I have taken this example. So I have added two Python lists. Now you can see if you add two Python lists, it will merge out and the final list will become 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. But if you perform the same operation, addition, on NumPy, it performs the addition element-wise. So output is 2, 4 and 6. So let me show you this all practically in Jupyter Notebook. So first let me import NumPy as NP. Now NumPy is equal to np.array 1, 3.5 and 10. Now you can see NumPy, right? So all the elements are converted into floating point number. But if we use Python list 1, 3.5 and 10, right? So Python list have the elements of different type. Right? So next example, NumPy is equal to np.array 1. Here I am going to take one string and integer. Now you can see all the elements are converted into string. Next example, NumPy is equal to np.array 1 string and floating point number. Now you can see all the elements are converted into string. Next example, np.array 1, 2 boolean values, true and false. Now you can see all the elements are converted into integer. Now to prove next statement, we can't do element-wise operation on Python list, but we can do element-wise operation in NumPy. To prove this, let me take this example. So list 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30. List 2 is equal to 20, 30, 40. So if we add list 1 plus list 2, you can see it actually merge two lists with element 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, 40. Now let me create NumPy array. So array 1 np dot array with 10, 20, 30 and array 2 np dot array 20, 30, 40. So when you perform array 1 plus array 2, now you can see the result. It performs the addition element wise. 10 plus 20, 30. 20 plus 30, 50. 30 plus 40, 70. So this way we can compare Python list with NumPy. So in the next video, I am going to explain you other difference practically. Thank you. Thank you for watching.